One technique that we can use to reduce underfitting is to increase the complexity of our model. Recall, this is an exact opposite approach of what we learned when we learned about overfitting. There, an approach to reduce overfitting was to decrease model complexity, where here with underfitting, an approach to reduce underfitting is to increase that model complexity. If we have a complex data set and a relatively simple model, then this model just might not be sophisticated enough to perform well on the complex training data. If we zoom in to this graph on the left here, we can illustrate this problem more. So each of these points represent a training sample in our training set, and this blue line here is the approximated function of our model that best fits this training set. As we can see, this is a relatively simplistic function that's not fitting our data set too well, so it's underfitting our training set. However, if we increased the complexity of our model, then we might be able to create or approximate a more complex function. A more complex function, at least a relatively more complex function than the one we just looked at, models the relationship of this data better. So it fits the training set better than the simplistic function that we just looked at.